Hi, so this is the Ransomes Ajax restoration, the Mk3 Ransomes. So what we've got here is the front roller holder, and if you saw in video 5 it was really rusty. So we were kind of doing the twist like this with a length of sandpaper, kind of moving back and left and right, and we have got, I think, as much of that gunk off as we are probably going to get. I don't want to take too much off this roller. It's not too bad. It's much smoother now. So what I'm going to do, you can see how much gunk has actually come off it. Look at that cloth. I'm going to move that over there. And I've got this stuff here, which is a kind of rust remedy thing. And this stuff here will kind of chemically alter any rust which is left on it. So I'm just going to dab it on just with a cloth. And just give it a little bit of a coat, because this will be under the rollers and some of this stuff will be indented. So just by putting that on, it will chemically alter any rust that's there. And even though the rollers are going to be on there and rubbing it, it's going to be better than nothing. I certainly don't want to paint it. I'm going to let that dry out, and then I think we'll do some more polishing. And that's just the end of that very quick video, and hopefully you'll find that helpful.